Question number 15. What does it say? Describe the post-fertilization changes in a flower. Post-fertilization. So after the fusion of male and female gametes in a flower, what happens? So start your answer by saying post-fertilization changes that takes place in a flower are as follow. First change, the formation of zygote, which occurs where? Inside an ovule. Later develops into an embryo. And primary endosperm cell, which develops into an endosperm. Now this endosperm is doing what? Provides nourishment to the growing embryo. Now what happens? The sepals and the petals, petals and stamen are shed, whereas pistil remain intact. Third, fertilized ovule develop into a seed. Ripened ovary then with pericarp and seed is called a fruit. So lastly, the seeds after dispersal of germinate under favorable condition, which later develop into a new plant. So for a new plant, you need to put seed in the soil, and thus from that particular seed, we'll get a new plant. Let's see. Diagrammatically, what you're supposed to show is, what you're supposed to understand is, these are the petals. Sepals. Petals and sepal. Stamen. And this is your pistil. Okay. So when fertilization occurs, zygote is formed. That forms an embryo, and with further help it forms an endosperm. Later on, this is your ovary. Ovary will have seeds, ovules. This will ripen up, and the outside of the seed is known as pericarp. This will form a fruit. Fruit will have seeds, and when you place this in a soil, you will get another plant. So kids, this is your post-fertilization changes that are occurring in a flower.